Digital marketing encompasses a broad range of tactics and strategies used to promote products or services through digital channels. As the internet and technology have evolved, so too has digital marketing, offering businesses more innovative and diverse methods to reach their target audience. Here is a comprehensive overview of everything you should know about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, and websites, to connect with current and prospective customers. It involves leveraging various online platforms and tools to promote brands, increase visibility, drive traffic, and generate leads. Key components of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords. The goal is to drive organic, non-paid, traffic to your site. On-page SEO, optimizing individual web pages, content, keywords, meta tags, header tags. Off-page SEO, building backlinks and improving domain authority. Technical SEO, ensuring your website structure is search engine friendly, site speed, mobile responsiveness, etc. Search engine marketing, SEM, and paid advertising. SEM involves paid marketing tactics such as pay-per-click, PPC, advertising to appear in search engine results. Google Ads and Bing Ads are popular platforms for SEM. Display ads, remarketing, and paid search campaigns are key tactics in SEM. Strategies like bidding, keyword targeting, and A/B testing play a significant role. Content marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your audience. The goal is to inform, entertain, or educate while positioning your brand as an authority. Blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, white papers, and case studies are all forms of content. Content strategy includes planning, creation, distribution, and promotion. Content calendar helps organize and plan when and where content is published. Social media marketing. Social media marketing leverages platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok to build brand awareness and engage with audiences. Organic social media involves posting and engaging directly with followers without paid ads. Paid social media, using paid ads on social platforms to target specific demographics. Social media management includes content creation, scheduling posts, and monitoring social conversations. Social listening, analyzing social media to understand audience behavior and trends. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to prospects and customers to inform, engage, and encourage actions, like purchases. Includes newsletters, promotional offers, transactional emails, and personalized email sequences. Automation, drip campaigns and triggered emails are crucial for effective communication. Segmentation, dividing your email list into different groups to send personalized messages. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows businesses to partner with affiliates, third-party publishers, to promote their products and services in exchange for a commission. Affiliate networks help businesses find suitable affiliates. Tracking codes are used to track affiliate sales, conversions, or leads. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is the practice of partnering with social media influencers or industry leaders to promote your brand. Influencers typically have a large, engaged following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Micro-influencers, those with smaller, more niche audiences, are becoming increasingly popular. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing focuses on reaching customers via smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Mobile-optimized websites, apps, and SMS, text message, marketing are key areas. Mobile ads and location-based marketing, geofencing, are also important. Video marketing. Video marketing involves using video content to promote or market products, services, or brands. Popular platforms for video marketing include YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Video ads, live streams, and tutorials are common video marketing formats. Video content is highly engaging and has great potential for viral reach. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. CRO is the practice of optimizing your website or landing pages to increase the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, like purchasing or filling out a contact form. A/B testing, comparing two versions of a web page to determine which one performs better. User experience, UX, design plays a critical role in CRO. Web analytics and data analysis. Web analytics tools like Google Analytics help marketers track user behavior and understand which digital marketing efforts are working. Tracking metrics such as traffic, bounce rate, conversions, and engagement is key to making data-driven decisions. Conversion tracking and goal setting are important for evaluating performance. Online public relations, PR. Online PR involves managing your brand's reputation on the internet, including building relationships with journalists, bloggers, and influencers. Press releases, guest blogging, and media outreach are part of online PR strategies. Crisis management is also an important aspect of online PR. Digital marketing strategies and planning. A digital marketing strategy involves identifying your business goals, target audience, and digital channels to use. Emerging trends in digital marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI is increasingly being used for automation, personalization, and chatbots. Voice search, optimizing for voice queries, Alexa, Siri, etc., is becoming more important. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR interactive marketing using immersive technology. Interactive content, polls, quizzes, and interactive videos increase engagement. Tools and platforms. Digital marketers rely on various tools and platforms to manage campaigns, track results, and optimize strategies. Social media management tools, Buffer, Hootsuite, Sprout Social. Email marketing platforms, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit. SEO tools, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz. Analytics tools, Google Analytics, Hotjar, Kissmetrics. Advertising platforms, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads. Metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. To evaluate the success of digital marketing efforts, key metrics and KPIs are used. Traffic, website visitors, page views, sessions. Engagement, likes, shares, comments, time spent on site. Conversions, leads, signups, purchases. ROI, return on investment from campaigns. Customer lifetime value, CLV, predicting the total revenue generated from a customer over time. Digital marketing challenges. Competition, the digital space is highly competitive, requiring businesses to stay innovative. Changing algorithms, platforms like Google and Facebook regularly update their algorithms, affecting how content is ranked and seen. Privacy concerns, regulations like GDPR and CCPA affect how data is collected and used. The future of digital marketing. Automation, marketing automation tools are expected to grow, allowing for more personalized and efficient campaigns. Personalization, consumers expect more personalized experiences, and marketers must adapt to deliver. AI and chatbots, increasing use of AI-driven tools for content creation, customer service, and chatbots for immediate assistance.